December 8, the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, I ask for the grace for immaculate perception. Sabi ko, Lord, please help me na hindi na ako papatol sa anumang negativity. You can choose pala eh. I said, Lord, kung may nadidinig ako, hindi ko napapatulan yan. Magagalit ako, no matter how valid, hindi na lang. Negativities eh. You choose. Choose your battles. And I'm happy to tell you, so far, it's working. Try it. Hold on to positivity. Let go of negativity. And focus on the Lord in joy and in humility. Mas magaan po ang buhay.